This is me, Neha Gupta. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my mentor, Mr. Pradeep Agrawal sir, who gives me this wonderful opportunity. I take this opportunity and I want to say something about that topic. In this picture, I want to give a deep message what I have seen. It means move away from the crowd, way out from the crowd. It means that it's okay to be different. It means that I want to give a deep message as a if you have a own capabilities and on targets, then you will never distract from your goal and never dislocate from your astray goal. So first of all, you have to focus on yourself, not to copy others. If you want to copy to others, and if your person, if your family member, if your friends going that way, then you also want to go that way. It's not good. If you have a courage and you do something, so first of all you have to choose own way. If you want to do something different, so first of all you have to do something again. And if you want to do something, then you have to move away from the crowd, because crowd gives us the confidence and courage, but it's always takes out of the identity. So that's you have to take away from your path. And next word I want to say that suppose that my friends want to become a doctor and I also want to become a doctor. Because why? Because my friends want to become a doctor, that's why I choose that way. But it's not good. It's have a own decision. If you have a capability to own decision, then you make the create history. I have an example of one girl. She is my friend, and she is very intelligent and developed by character. She is a valiant personality from his character. She wants to fly in the sky and touch the sky limits, but their parents and their unconditional society and families, they didn't want to. She wants to go outside from the study and doing study, but she never quit her valiant character. She always tried to more and more. Now she is a IS officer, and so but why? Because she never quit her own capability. She always choose her own way, not to copy others. She don't want to become a carbon copy to others. She follow her rules. That's why. In the last, I want to say some words in Hindi as a तरक्की की दौड़ में उसी का जोर चल गया जो बना के रास्ता भीड़ में निकल गया. Thank you all of you.